Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to add a customized product to cart. First you have to specify the set of option ID and value for color and size. Generate an admin access token. The following sample shows the return values for size and color for a small blue Proteas fitness check shirt. Copy and paste the token in authorization section. The option ID values for size and color are 145 and 93. Now we get the option value for size and color of the jacket shirt. Create a new GET request with this endpoint. We now know the values for option value for size and color are 166 and 49. We are ready to add the product to the cart. For this step we will generate a customer access token. Paste the new token in authorization section. I will leave the sample codes and all endpoints in the description. After complete, let's check the product on the website. HexaSync. Connecting applications, automating processes.